Okay, let's take a quiz. So you will need a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil to write. So listen to the word and write the correct vowel. Number 1, box, box. Number 2, six, six. Number 3, man, man. Number 4, cup, cup. Number 5, sad, sad. Number 6, 10, 10. Number 7, lip, lip. Number 8, pen, pen. Number 9, mud, mud. And number 10, van, van. Number 11, hop, hop. Number 12, hum, hum. Number 13, fed, fed. And number 14, wig, wig. Now let's go back to number 1 and I will read them all the way through again. Number 1, box, ah. Number 2, 6, eh. Number 3, man, eh. Number 4, cup, Number 5, sad, Number 6, 10, 7, lip, 8, pen, 9, mud, 10, van, Number 11, hop, 12, hum, 13, fed, 14, wig.